So this is not just a regular video. This is something that comes from personal experience. So this video is going to talk about how I failed 5 times before I passed my step one, the sixth attempt, one and final attempt that I was allowed to before my MD was no good. And one mistake that I made was I compared myself to other people. I compared my GPA to other people's GPA. That's not something that you want to do. When they graduated versus when I graduated and when I took my test and passed it, it doesn't make a difference. My journey is my journey. The amount of attempts that I took. So what if this person passed it the first time and it took me 6 attempts? A pass is a pass. Nobody asks me in the clinic or in the hospital how many times you took the exam or where you went to school. Nobody really cares. When did you graduate? Nobody cares. As long as you take care of that patient the way that you're supposed to take care of them, you'll be just fine. You also don't want to compare what they got on their test compared to what you're going to get on your test, because every single test is different. There's a whole pool of questions that the boards take from. So you think that their test is going to really affect your test? Or how about if you're a repeat test taker? Do you think your last test is going to be the same as the test that you're going to take upcoming? No. That's why I'm so big on content and test taking strategies. If you know your content and you take advantage of test taking strategies, there's not really a way that the boards can get you. So make sure you focus on those things. And then lastly, what resources they used. What this person used may not be the best thing for you. And if you go and ask multiple people, they're going to tell you multiple different resources. So I'm not saying NCLEX High Yield is the best, but what I'm telling you is find your cup of tea. So when you find what works for you, continue to use that and stick to that. Don't keep saying, oh, well, I want this and I want that because this person used that and this person used this, because you're just going to scratch the surface of everything that you're doing and you're not going to really get in depth, and you're going to hurt yourself and not get the amount of content that you need or the test taking strategies that you need. So find what works for you. So some tips and tricks that will help you. Do not compare yourself to anybody else. Your journey is your journey, and you're meant to pass when you're ready to pass, and you will pass. Just stick to it, stick to it. And remember, all our free resources from Instagram, YouTube, the podcast, Facebook, TikTok, all these things are free resources. Take advantage of them. If you like what I do, take advantage of all the free stuff. If not, find what works for you. Good luck. Take care.